Hey everybody, Ryan here with the Lawn Channel, and in today's video I'm going to redo this flower bed here, put some mulch down. I'm gonna take these, you can see where I've already started here, removing these. I'm gonna create an edge without the pavers or whatever those are called, and remulch this area and clean it all out, and if this goes well, I'll do the rest. So enjoy the video. Darn gnats all over. So I've kind of edged out where I want the mulch to go. I'm kind of making a curve down here in line with my AC unit, and eventually I'm going to mulch that whole side and try to make that look a little bit better. So I wanted to go ahead and kind of prepare for that. Now I just need to rake all this up pretty cleanly, and then I can go ahead and start putting out the new mulch, and hopefully looks good. We'll see. All right, I'm ready to mulch now. I've got this one bag per wheelbarrow, it looks like, but I'm gonna try to figure out a more efficient way there. But I'm gonna go ahead and start spreading it out. Alright, so I got most of the bed filled in. I'm gonna have to get a couple more bags, I think, for that corner. And then I've also got to take some scissors or something and make a sharp edge with my grass right here. I don't want to try and weed eat that and shoot stuff everywhere. I like it much more than the way it was. I hated those little pavers, and I think it's gonna look a lot better once I finish it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Appreciate it.